Should you wait for lower interest rates in order to purchase a home? There are some things to consider when you're thinking about buying a home and interest rates. So lower interest rates can lead to lower monthly mortgage payments, making it easier, of course, to afford a home. If you're able to wait for rates to come down, it may be beneficial to do so in order to get a better deal on your mortgage. However, waiting for rates to come down may not always be the best strategy, as home prices also may increase over time. If you wait too long, you may end up paying more for the same home. And another factor to consider is if interest rates do come down in the future, if you lock in the price now, that will allow you to then refi into a lower interest rate. So that's something to consider if you're afraid of where the interest rates are right now, because if they do come down, you can go ahead and get that lower interest rate by refining. So those are some things to consider. Of course, everybody's situation is different. The decision to buy a home should be based upon your personal circumstances and your financial goals. And so it may be a good idea to, speak with a financial advisor or mortgage specialist so they can help you make an informed decision. We have some recommendations as far as that goes. And of course, we'd be happy to chat with you to see if it's actually a good time for you to buy a home, or maybe you should wait. So let us know. We would be happy to chat, with you through your options. So.